So today I'm going to teach you how to do the moss stitch, and this is one of my favorite stitches. If you know how to single crochet, you'll know how to do the moss stitch. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a loop, and this is going to be done in even chains. So I'm just going to do we're just going to go ahead and chain 20. Now what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and chain. You're going to skip a loop or skip a chain. This chain here does not count, so you want to go ahead and skip this one, and in this one you want to do a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, go into the next chain. Single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, chain, go into the next chain. Single crochet, chain 1, we're going to skip 1, chain, go into the next chain. Single crochet, chain 1, we're going to skip 1, go into the next chain. Single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, go into the next chain. Single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, chain into the next, single crochet into the next chain, chain 1, skip 1, next chain, single crochet, chain 1, we're going to skip 1 chain, go into the next chain, single crochet, chain 1. Now we're going to skip this one, and we have one more chain left. We're just going to single crochet right into that chain. We're going to turn your work. We're going to chain 1, and we're going to go into this chain, first chain, single crochet, chain 1, and we're going to skip. You can see little stitches that go like this. We're going to skip 1, and we're going to go into the next one. Chain 1, chain 1. We're going to skip 1, single crochet into the next space. Chain 1, skip, and chain. We're going to single crochet into those chain spaces there. Single crochet, chain 1. Skip this one, and we're going to go right into the next one right here. Chain 1. We're going to skip 1, and we're going to go into the next single crochet right here, next chain. Single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, and we're going to go into the next chain, which is right there. Chain, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, go into the next chain right here. Chain 1, we're going to skip this one, go into the next one, single crochet, chain 1, and then we're going to just come right over, and we're going to chain 1 to finish in the last chain. So we're going to do that again. Single crochet or chain 1, and we're going to chain 1, right in there, chain 1, Now we're going to skip. See these two little, they look like little lines there. We're going to go right into the next chain. So we're actually going to skip, single crochet into the next chain, chain 1. We are going to skip, and we're going to go right in here to the next chain, single crochet, chain 1. Skip, and go right in between, right here in this chain, single crochet, chain 1. Skip, go into the next chain, single crochet, chain 1. Skip, go into the next chain, single crochet, chain 1. Skip, we're going to go into the next chain space, single crochet, chain 1. Skip this one, go into the next chain space, single crochet, chain 1. Skip one, go into the next chain space, single crochet, chain 1, and then we're going to, on the last chain, we're going to just do 1 single crochet right in there. And that's all you do. You can see the moth stitch pattern starting right there. Let's do one more row. Single crochet. We're going to single crochet in this space right here, and we're going to chain 1. We're going to skip 1 right here, and we're going to go into the next chain space, single crochet, chain 1, skip this space, go into the next chain space, single crochet, chain 1, skip, go into the next chain space, single crochet, chain 1. And you're going to do this all the way to the end. And you're going to do this for the length that you want your afghan or scarf or project to be. Skip, next chain, single crochet, chain 1, skip. This makes a beautiful baby blanket, which is what I'm using right now I'm using this stitch right now to create a baby blanket, and it goes really fast. This one here, you're just going to put your hook into that chain and just single crochet. And this is what the moss stitch looks like. And you can see the pattern will be on both sides. So it's just an even chain, even numbered chain, and then you're going to just skip one chain, and then you're going to single crochet, 1 chain, and then you're going to skip, single crochet next, skip next, and that's all you're going to do. And that's all I have for you today.